Nature is full of surprises. From rare animal behaviors to breathtaking close encounters, these unbelievable wildlife moments will leave you speechless. Imagine swimming peacefully when suddenly a massive humpback whale appears beside you. This lucky diver experienced a once-in-a-lifetime encounter as the gentle giant swam gracefully by. A truly breathtaking moment. In the heart of the jungle, a group of tourists got the shock of their lives when a wild gorilla calmly approached them. Instead of aggression, the gorilla showed curiosity, reminding us how intelligent and peaceful these magnificent creatures can be. Ever wondered what it's like to fly like an eagle? Well, this lucky photographer found out when a golden eagle grabbed their camera and took it for a ride. The stunning footage captured the bird's soaring perspective from above. Safari tourists got more than they bargained for when a wild leopard climbed onto their jeep and took a nap. Instead of running, the passengers stayed still, capturing an unforgettable moment of trust between humans and wildlife. Surfers dream of the perfect wave, but this lucky rider got an unexpected surfing buddy. A playful dolphin. This magical moment shows just how curious and friendly dolphins can be in their natural habitat. Nature is full of surprises, and these wildlife encounters prove it. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more incredible adventures.